The 2027 Iveco GREDIA 5K camper van is designed for travelers who expect more than just transportation. It combines rugged performance, modern engineering, and premium comfort into one impressive luxury motorhome. Built on the trusted Iveco Daily platform, the GREDIA 5K delivers outstanding stability, smooth handling, and exceptional durability. Under the hood is a powerful turbo diesel engine paired with a refined automatic transmission, providing effortless acceleration and confident performance on highways, mountain roads, and long-distance journeys. Its reinforced chassis and advanced suspension system ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on challenging terrain. Modern driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and intelligent braking systems, make every trip safer and less stressful. The roof is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels that continuously charge the onboard lithium battery system. Combined with a powerful inverter and generous fresh water capacity, the GREDIA 5K is fully prepared for extended off-grid adventures without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're exploring remote mountain passes or cruising along scenic coastal highways, the 2027 Iveco GREDIA 5K offers the confidence, reliability, and freedom every traveler dreams of. Step inside, and the GREDIA 5K immediately feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional camper van. Warm ambient LED lighting, elegant wood finishes, soft touch materials, and modern black accents create a sophisticated atmosphere throughout the cabin. Every detail has been carefully designed to maximize both comfort and functionality. Above the driver's cabin is a spacious panoramic bed, offering a relaxing sleeping area with beautiful skylight views. The main living area features premium seating, a stylish dining table, and large panoramic windows that fill the interior with natural light. The fully equipped kitchen includes a spacious countertop, induction cooktop, deep sink, microwave oven, large refrigerator, and generous storage compartments. Everything is within easy reach, making cooking on the road simple and enjoyable. Moving toward the rear, you'll find a private bedroom that perfectly balances luxury and practicality. The elevated bed is accessed by 3 illuminated steps, creating a stylish focal point while providing additional storage underneath. Beneath the bed sits a compact washing machine, allowing travelers to stay comfortable during extended trips without relying on public laundry facilities. A large flat-screen television mounted on the wall transforms the bedroom into a relaxing entertainment space after a long day of adventure. The compact bathroom features a modern shower cabin, premium toilet, elegant sink, large mirror, and practical storage, offering all the comforts of home in an efficient layout. Every inch of the interior has been thoughtfully designed to create a warm, luxurious, and highly functional living space. The 2027 Iveco GREDIA 5K represents a vision of what the next generation of luxury motorhomes could become. Although this concept has not yet been officially introduced as a production vehicle, it showcases the direction modern camper van design is heading, combining advanced technology, premium comfort, and complete travel independence. If this model enters production with all of the features presented here, it would undoubtedly compete with some of Europe's finest luxury motorhomes. Industry estimates suggest that a fully equipped version could carry a starting price between 180,000 and 220,000 euros, depending on equipment, customization, and optional features. For travelers who refuse to compromise between comfort and adventure, the 2027 Iveco GREDIA 5K offers a compelling vision of the future. It is more than simply a camper van. It is a luxury home on wheels, built for limitless journeys, unforgettable destinations, and the freedom to explore the world without leaving comfort behind.